Whether you're using Google Workspace or Gmail, whether you're in a Google browser or you're in the Gmail app on your mobile device, sometimes we don't need to spend a lot of time typing words. You get a message from somebody and you want to make sure that they know that you saw the message. You don't need to hit reply. Just simply hit any one of these emoticon icons and hit the icon and then find the appropriate icon to send back to them so that they're absolutely clear that you got their message and maybe that you're appreciative of them sending that to you. Heck, you can send multiple if you want to, a little heart or whatever, and it's sending it. So let's go take a look and see. This is the account that message came from that I just responded back to. And you can see, pretty cool. It stacked them up. It stacked up all of those emoticons that I sent in one message. Words are powerful. Words are useful. Words offer clarity. However, sometimes all you need is a simple little emoticon. Boom, send that, and we're done. If you like these videos, if these videos are useful to you in any way, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Better than that, comment and ask me any question.